Hello everyone, so in this video we would like to share another video in the harmony cable and connector, and this car is Holden VE Commodore Series 2 2011. We already removed the head unit and you can see another video of how to remove it, and this one is the last part before we pull out and show up the cable, and you can see from here on the right side there's two main cable. One is this big quad lock and the second one is this rectangular, small cable here. So two on the right side, and on the left side we have three of them. One is white, one is blue, and one is gray color. So yep, that's about, and we are going to do the 7-inch full setup for this car very soon. So thank you and see you on the next one.